Hello and welcome guys. Today I'm gonna just do a quick review of an item that we use to cast screen, basically displaying from portable devices, your Android mobile phones, your tablets, or your Windows operating system. It's from MiraScreen, and basically they give you this particular one sweet looking dongle. Right, it has a receiver. All right, this Wi-Fi receiver, and it has a USB micro. Right, this is to power up, and then this should be going in right forward. And basically they have, you can see here, it's written here, this is a 1080p 5G plus 244G. Right, so this is like a dual band, able to receive dual band Wi-Fi. Right, you should understand that Wi-Fi signals varies, the speed varies based on 2Gs and 2.4Gs and 5Gs. So if you have this is one unit that you can buy in case you have any either older device or new device. Like for me, I'm actually going to plug this into an older device, which means that I'm gonna bypass via a VGA to HDmi. Right, so I'm gonna use it to display on my projector. Right, and the projector is an old projector, so I'm gonna use this and see how it works. Right, so basically this is just to show you up how the box looks like. So it's a very teeny box, looks good, and then there is this even a notification or indication how to do it, and the product specification. Usually don't have to worry about it, but then again this is the unit up close. Looks nice, sleek. Right, this looks really nice, and all that will be provided to you. Okay, so you don't have any issues on that. Right, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you need any description, I will actually paste down the link, and then it's for your further references and so forth. Right, take care. This video is brought to you by Right Tech Wiz Solution. We are basically an e-store that manages throughout globally on electronic and gadget devices, so you can check us out. The link will be below, and have a healthy and a safe day ahead. Right, ciao.